Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a digital product. So let's just say you bought a new product from our website or you found a product and you'd like to upload it into your website. It's really easy to do. So we're here on your dashboard. You basically go to your store products on the left, go to products, and then on the top here, you're just going to click new product and we're going to click digital file. All right, and from here, we just have to upload the file. So we're just going to click upload file. And now there are two types of file. You usually will get the file as a zip file. So if it's a zip file, you're going to upload as a zip file. If it's a document like a PDF file that you download or that you have, it's going to be a document. So a document is for PDF files and zip files are for zip files. So let's go ahead. Let's do a zip file. All right, and so basically from this, it uploads the directory screen. Now from here, you'll usually have folders that'll have different names. So depending on what category it is, you can create a folder for that category, which just create new folder and give it a name, or you can choose one of your folders that you already have, right? All right, so for this one, let's say I'm gonna type here Control F, type in children's books. Let's just say it's in children's books, and you're gonna go upload media. And then from here, this is where you would upload it from your computer. And you're basically just going to find the file. So let's pretend this is the file here, homeschooling ebook. And basically once that's in your folder, it's going to show up. And so once your new file shows up here, you're basically just going to click that file and you're just going to click add to product. That's simple. And then this will be the name of the file that you have there. All right. And then from here, you're going to get a bit of name. Homeschooling, let's just say homeschooling ebook. That's going to be a name. And if you're not sure what to do with the description, there's two ways you could do this, right? You could create your own description, or you can go right to our website. And let's say you do end up downloading one of our products. So let's just say you're looking at this one, a homeschooling guide, for example. All right. And so basically, I just searched this product up on the website. And let's just say this is the product that you wanted for a description. So I just click read more, look at the whole description. Now you could just take this description and you could just copy that and paste. And there you go. That would be your product there. That's simple. Now you could technically do this and you could copy the title too if you want, give it the same title. Now, if you didn't like the description, or let's say you wanted to change the wording of the description, you could use AI software to do that as well. So that's another option. Now, if you were starting with a completely brand new product, right, like you could just say, write me a description for a PLR ebook about homeschooling, right? And right away, it would just give you a description. Now, you would have to read the description and see it's what's actually in the description is what you actually teach in your book, right? That's one way of doing it. Now, we could take that, what I copied here in this description from our website, and you could just say, reword the following. If you wanted to have a different reworded description, hit enter, and it basically just reword, like rephrase what the description is. And you would just take that and you would copy that, and you could also use that and you could paste that in here as well, right? So there are two ways of doing it there. And then from here, this would be your image file. And so if we click add images here, loads up your directory again. And again, like I said, your directory, you can create a folder for your image covers and put it in that folder, right? So you're going to choose your folder, upload the image, and then you're going to upload that image. Now, usually your image will be in your zip file. So normally it will be in your zip file or in wherever you downloaded the file, it will be in that folder where you download the file, right? And so once you got your image uploaded, you're basically just going to click that image. So let's just pretend that this is the image here. And then you basically just add that image, right? So that would be your cover image. All right. And then the only thing you have to do is give it a price now. So let's say we're going to give it a price. So you can look at our website. It gives you a really good guide for competitive prices, without necessarily giving away your product. We have very competitive prices. So you can place it at a price that's similar to ours. So let's just say $8.99 here. And you can also show if it's on sale or not. So if you want to give it kind of a look like it's on sale, you could put the sale price as well, right? So we could say maybe this is $10.99 and it's on sale for $8.99. All right, and you can show it as a percentage, or you could show it as a dollar amount. All right, so if we show it as a dollar amount, it's going to be $8.99, the sale price, and that's what you do there. Inventory and shipping, you don't have to touch that. And then basically just go up here, and now we're going to choose your category, right? So if this is, let's say, about homeschooling, I'm going to choose children and education. If it's a new category of something that's not even offered on the website, you're just going to create a new category for that, right? Now keep in mind, anytime you add ebooks, you have to make sure that you select the ebooks only, right? So in this case, it's an ebook. We are going to select ebooks only as well, right? So the category children, if it's an ebook, make sure that this is also selected, all right? So we got ebook selected as well. If you want to put it as a new arrival, you can also add another uh, category for new arrivals if you want as well. So you can do multiple categories if you need to here, right? So that's all I'm going to use for categories. And it's very simple. Once you're done, you just click save. And you'll notice once you save, your product automatically goes on the top of your website. So if you want to change the order of that, all you have to do is go up here, click more actions, rearrange, and then from here you can move your product around. Now usually we like to keep the pre-built website at the beginning because it's it's your high ticket item, it's the first thing you show, but you can move this around on your website. So you want to have it up as a second product, you can put it there, or you can move it down if you want. And don't forget to save when you're done rearranging. So don't forget to save that when you're done there. And after you rearrange, it will automatically send you to the category pages. So if you want to go back to your product pages, go to left here, click products, and that'll just take you back to your product pages. And so that's basically it. It's very easy to upload products. It's very easy to do. That's how you do it. If you have any questions, just drop me a message and let me know.